can't explain at all. Some feelings runs through our mind.
So, what is it? Where does it come from? It is so terrible.
It's depression, a feeling of severe dependency and dejection.
We are adult now. We travel alone, integrated with the social media.
Now we have also learned to ask adults questions
about our own decision, own freedom, own style, own fashion.
But is freedom really pushing us into a dark side?
Yes, we are talking about depression. It is not an easy terminology. It's estimated that around 10% of people will at some point in their lives suffer from depression, a mood disorder characterized by several symptoms.
Have you ever wanted to know what causes depression? Is it just a psychological problem or anything else?
When a person fails again and again, he believes that it is his fault only.
I remember a victim quotes, "Forgetting is difficult, remembering is worse."
The most terrible poverty is loneliness, and feeling of being not loved leads horrible scarred depression.
There are lots of events in our life that we can handle sometimes and sometimes not.
Jobless, stress, relationship problem, breakup, wrong direction. Oops, we don't know how can we handle so much.
As much as someone's coming make us happy, someone's leaving also make us very sad.
Yes, I agree with the people's quarrels sound good to hear. But when the quarrels are among ourselves, then
There is not really one particular reason for what people slips into depression. Either way, it is a serious and real problem.
people think the way everyone smiles from the outside, he might smile on the inside as well. No, it's not true.
Lockdown has locked people at the home.
Laptop, mobiles are swallowing us.
And even you put rice in family's pressure cooker, it will pop.
Everyone says money doesn't matter, but the bitter truth is it is matter more than others.
No, we are not blaming anyone, but we will understand how any person is suffering from depression.
Loneliness, isolation, anxiety, irritation, anger.
Lack of concentration, lack of attention, lack of energy, lack of sleep, and also lack of activity.
No, that's not the end of it. Maybe the man who used to motivate everyone one day is now crying for motivation.
The light of hope may be lit for everyone, but is that light reach the sleeps?
If self-confidence is really important in our lives, then if it is lost, then there is no point in surviving.
The value is lost along with the man at one time.
Power fixes everything, right? But it's very difficult to hold a man's hand and pull him from the dark side to light.
You have no idea what depression can do to us. There is nothing greater than life, but our dear enemy depression took life with him.
A depressed person breaks up with the society and patch up with the drugs. He also started taking alcohol.
As one problem creates another problem, just like that, an inattentive person starts losing focus on work.
Relationship is very sweet. When depression engulfs people, it doesn't take long for them to crack.
Did you know the power of depression doesn't take long to turn an innocent child to a murderer?
Now we are afraid for only corona, right? We should be just as scared and take as much precautions because depression hurts as much it hurts the peoples.
It's a lots of bad things. So find out together how we can get rid of it. Traveling leaves you speechless. Then it turns you into a storyteller.
Our life brings you down. Our hobbies brings you up. Happy is the man who is living by his hobbies.
Communicate even when it's uncomfortable or uneasy. One of the best way to heal is simply getting everything out.
Social media shuts us down and books free us. Read more books than status updates.
Medication is being in tune with our inner universe. So feel the feeling, but don't become the emotion. Witness it, allow it, and release it.
Always find a reason to love. It may not add years to your life, but will surely add life to your years.
Play bills the kind of free and easy. Try it out. Do it yourself. Make a character that our future needs.
Work for a cause, not for a applause. Live the life to express, not to impress. Don't strive to make your presence noticed, just to make your absence felt.
Maturity is not when we start speaking big things. It is when we start understanding small things.
Sometimes you have to let go what's gone and appreciate what remains and look forward what comes next.
Depression and diversion are as necessary to our well-being as more serious pursuits of life.
Narcissists and their doors open, definitely. But you must be in that by yourself. Because wisdom is worthless if you don't apply.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
And last but not the least, winners are not the peoples who never fail, but the people who never quit.
Dear depression, let's break up.
Dear depression, let's break up.
Dear depression, let's break up.
Dear depression, let's break up. Let's break up.
Dear depression, let's break up.
Dear depression, let's break up.